AI is changing everything, and I mean everything. From automating tasks to creating content and even fighting legal battles, AI tools are making life easier in ways you won't believe. Today, I'm revealing 10 mind-blowing AI tools that are pushing the limits of what's possible. And if you're wondering how AI cloned my voice so perfectly, stick around for tool number 7. Let's dive in. Tool number 1, Byword and SEO AI. Ever heard of programmatic SEO? Me neither, until TikTok put me on. It's a strategy that lets you generate thousands of web pages targeting long-tail keywords in minutes. Imagine you own a supplement store. Instead of manually writing content for every protein type, whey, hemp, pea, you use Byword and SEO AI to generate it all instantly. Just make sure you prioritize value-packed content, because Google's not a fan of low-quality spam. Tool number 2, Zapier. Automation lovers, this one's for you. Zapier lets you automate just about anything. Hop into their Zap Builder, describe your workflow in plain English, and boom, custom automation is ready to roll. Whether it's scheduling social media posts, summarizing Slack messages, or generating custom cover letters, Zapier saves you time and money. Check out their TikTok for even more crazy use cases. Tool number 3, do not pay. Hiring a lawyer? Nah, let AI handle that. Do not pay is a robo-lawyer that helps you fight corporations, protect your privacy, and even find hidden money. Need to dispute a parking ticket, negotiate a salary, cancel a subscription? Do not pay has your back. But don't try using it to get someone out of jail. It's not that kind of lawyer. Tool R4, Runway ML Infinite Image. Ever had an image that just wasn't the right size? Runway ML's Infinite Image tool lets you expand pictures seamlessly. Whether you need a longer website banner or a perfectly framed shot, AI fills in. The blanks like magic. Seriously, it's Photoshop on steroids. Tool number 5, Adobe Firefly. Graphic designers and content creators, meet your new best friend, Adobe Firefly. Want to swap a t-shirt for a suit jacket? Add a turtleneck? Just highlight the area, type your request, and watch AI transform your image instantly. Use it for thumbnails, ads, and creative projects. It's a game changer. Tool number 6, Undetectable. Ever submitted an AI-written essay and wondered if it would get flagged? Undetectable AI rewrites content to make it indistinguishable from human writing. Just drop in your AI-generated text, hit Humanize, and watch it pass AI detectors. Like a pro, do we trust AI to rewrite AI content? Let me know in the comments. Tool number 7, Descript. Okay, remember how I said this isn't my real voice? That's because I used Descript. With this tool, you can clone your voice and generate realistic AI audio just by typing. Perfect for podcasters, video creators, and anyone who wants flawless voiceovers. Welcome to the future of content creation. Tool number 8, Autopod. Editing videos is time-consuming, but not with Autopod. This Premiere Pro plugin automatically cuts multi-camera footage, detecting who's speaking and switching angles in real time. If you're a podcaster or filmmaker, this tool will save you hours of editing work. AI is coming for editors too. Tool number 9, Captions AI Eye Contact. Ever read from a script but wished it looked like you were making eye contact? Captions. AI fixes that. This tool subtly adjusts your gaze, making it seem like you're looking directly at the camera, even when you're not. It's perfect for professional videos, brand deals, and keeping your audience engaged. Tool number 10, ChatGPT. And of course, we can't talk about AI without mentioning ChatGPT. Whether you need help brainstorming ideas, writing content, coding, or even learning new skills, ChatGPT is the ultimate AI assistant. It's like having a 24/7 expert in your pocket, ready to help with almost anything. If you're not already using it, what are you waiting for? That's a wrap. Which AI tool blew your mind the most? Drop a comment below and let's chat. And if you want to stay ahead of the AI revolution, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. More game-changing tools are coming your way. See you next time. Peace.